If you need to stay relevant in your business, but you don't know what to do, here is everything you need to know to future-proof your marketing in 2025 and beyond. The first thing you need to understand is your target audience, your customer, your client, anyone that you want to help is out there asking the questions that you have answers to. Now, if you don't provide the answers through written, video, audio, ideally all of the above, your competitors are. So what do you do? Well, firstly, you need to start taking video content seriously. We're going to change the word content and make it visual assets. Now, every visual asset you make becomes a lottery ticket, which is permanent or perpetual in the online world. So once you post it, it becomes a touch point for the right person to find it. Now, how do they find it? Do you need to make it all fancy and hope that it goes viral? No. But you need to look at quality. You need to get to the point. The quality is what you're talking about. So if you're a business that's in this for the right reasons, you didn't just jump on a trend because you feel like your mate next door is making all the money, then hey, what up? This probably isn't for you if you're just trying to make a quick buck. The other thing that you want to try and think about is what you actually know is authentic from you. So if you're not authentic about this, if you're not anywhere near where you want to be, if you're a startup, this is going to be quite hard for you. But if you're in that field where you've been dominating this for a long time, then this is definitely for you. So what do we do next? You need to start gathering as many questions, queries, data as much as possible about what it is that your specific target audience is asking of you. Now, pro tip, if you read the book They Ask You Answer by Marcus Sheridan, or his upcoming book, by the time I post this, it's not out yet, but the time that you probably watch this, it might be. It's called Endless Customers, worth a read. Shout outs to Marcus. The other book you need to read is How to Build a Story Brand 2.0 by Donald Miller. This will help you structure exactly what you need to do in terms of how to, one, understand how to grab the questions that you need to answer for your target audience, and two, how to actually bring it out to them so that they enjoy watching the content, because that's the quality that we need to talk about. Now, finally, the big five, Marcus Sheridan talks about this. And the big five that you need to actually showcase to your target audience, literally as follows. I'm just going to grab my notes to make sure that I have everything here. To answer every question and also making sure that it's all worthy for them. So pricing costs, that's the first one. How do I, like for example, for my dental client, how much do dental implants or veneers or braces cost in said city that you're operating in? The second one is common problems. So what are the common problems that people are asking about? So how to prevent and treat bleeding gums / gum disease. So I'm going to stick with the dental theme because I've just been doing this with my client at the moment. Number 3 is comparisons. So bridges versus implants or braces versus Invisalign. Which is the right for me? Best of lists is number 4. So what is the top? So top 5 tips for overcoming dental anxiety. And you start the video with, if you have dental anxiety, here's how you can overcome it. My 5 tips to you. So that's what I would get my client to say. Then we have the final one, which is reviews and testimonials. Now, you can get your clients to say this, or you can say this on behalf of your clients based off of their success stories. Do not use case studies anymore. Do not say the word case studies. Your visual assets are about your success and how good you are, but how good your clients have become or have succeeded from your guidance. If you want to understand more of what I just said, look up SB7, which is the How to Build Your Story Brand 2.0 from Donald Miller. So where do you go from here? Now, this is what I teach in my workshops, but here is the rundown. Number 1, you need to search up as many ideas, processes, questions, pain points, everything you can within your industry that the target audience is asking. How do you do that? There's AI, there's Google, there's Answer Socrates, Answer the Public, going on Reddit, going on all of the social media channels that the most popular creators in your industry are, and just simply going into the comments and reading what your target audience is asking. then make a list. You can make a list of 100 things to film in under 5 minutes if you're really committed to this and really want your business to go further beyond 5 minutes. Then what you need to do is you need to plan the scope and sequence. The scope and sequence is so that you don't muck around and just go one video per day. If you want to do it like that, you can, but it's better if you batch it because you're on a rant. Have a cup of coffee like I've just had and just go off and talk about it. This video is talking about the procedure that you need to take that we can help implement, hold your hand with, and absolutely dominate the industry. It's not going to happen overnight because everyone's yapping about going viral and building lots of followers. No one gives a shit. How do you stay relevant in the industry that you're in, that you service in, or that you have built a product for? You answer the consumer's question, not by following a trend where you go viral for the dumbest shit, no one gives a crap, and it can't be searched up by your target audience because they don't know that it exists. However, there are ways to link them together, but again, that's a workshop thing. Otherwise, this video is going to become a 1 hour rant. Now, where were we? We've got the sequencing, we've got the writing, we've got the understanding of how we break down the SB7 approach. There are other approaches that we also do. I'm not just going Donald Miller's the be all end all. There are other ways to tell the story that articulate perfectly to your target audience. We cover this through the workshop. Then comes the filming. I teach you how to speak. I speak to you right now. You're the person that I'm talking to. I'm not talking at you, I'm talking to you because I want to help you and I understand your pain points and I want to help you because I'm authentic about this, right? If you're not an authentic person, click away. If you're looking for a one-stop shop, click away because this is a process. Over time, a guide. Maybe it is a one-stop shop eventually, but if you're thinking that you apply this tonight and you're going to go viral and have all the money tomorrow, no, that's for ads. We'll get into ads later because ads are still important. They're a short-term right now play, but you need the data. Now, you film it all. Then you need to edit it. So this is stage 4 of the workshop. How do you edit it? We have the tools, we have the resources, we have the amazing talent that I've accumulated over my years of being a full-time creator of professionals around the world that I speak to every single day that say this is the update. It's not just here's what I've done 5 years ago and you should do right now. That's probably out of date. It's all updated stuff. You're not going to get outdated stuff here. It's all relevant to now. Once you've done the editing, once you've learned how to edit, and we make you, it's like you've gone from not being able to edit at all to a proficient editor. It's like someone else can hire you to edit for them. Then we publish. Now, we don't publish for you. We teach you how to publish, where to publish and what to say and what to write. Because we are here to have your omnipresence built so then you can embed it on your website and then it's going to be indexed by Google through YouTube because Google owns YouTube, and then that's going to be embedded on your website. So you get a double dip. So when someone clicks on your video on your website, you get a view on YouTube. YouTube goes, oh shit, this shit's relevant, and then you're away. Now, doesn't happen overnight. Doesn't happen that easily. It happens through time. We help you with that. We help you hold your hand and build that with you. And then you're on your own because we're in this space to optimize and future-proof you become self-sustainable. We're not here to keep you. We want to make an impact to as many people as possible. If we wanted to keep you, we would go, right, 10 clients per year, done. That's boring. That's why I quit teaching. I was helping students in the classroom, 1 to 32 kids. 32 is a lot, every hour, that's a lot. Now I've helped hundreds of thousands for my personal brand. Now I want to help you guys. So if you want to book the workshop, this is the call to action, obviously. Hit me up, link in description, all that stuff. We go through all of the stuff that I spoke about in detail, tailored to your service-based business. Please do not book this if you're just starting out. Please do not book this if you don't have any money. We have packages starting from $2,500 Australian up to $10,000 Australian. If you can't find yourself in that window, then hey, take the advice from this video, research it up, use AI to grab the transcript to analyze what I just said and make the plan yourself. If you want to learn how to do that, click the link below. There's a cheaper offer there. But for now, go on and go do what you need to do for the sake of your longevity in your business. Rant over, love you.